Alright guys, welcome to another hopefully fun unboxing. Let's get this done real quick. This time it's a real box, it's not a parcel. Okay, sort of manhandle it. I do a lot of these, so if you want to send me something, I'm more than happy to unbox it for you. You might not be, but I will be for sure. I don't see any QR codes at the moment, but maybe there might be one somewhere for you guys to take a look at. There it is, 3D printable filament, and it looks pretty cool so far. It is glow in the dark like the other one, and it comes with, I have no idea what this is for. Oh, probably to keep it in case you take it out of the machine.
Likey